Welcome to this advanced video tutorial on TM1bedrock Pi, the open-source Python library for TM1. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform a complex data restructuring operation using the library. We will explore a scenario where we have sales data in an actual version, and management wants to create a budget version based on this data. However, this isn't a simple copy. We need to simulate an organizational restructure, where employees are reassigned to different organization units based on logic stored in a separate mapping cube. First, we begin by importing the necessary libraries. We need the Bedrock module itself and the TM1 service from TM1Pi to handle the connection. We then create our service object to establish the connection to the TM1 instance, using our configuration credentials. Next, we define the source data we want to copy using the data MDX variable. This MDX query selects the specific slice of sales data we want to process, filtering for the actual version and the relevant time period. To define how the data should be transformed, we create a list of mapping steps. The first step is straightforward. We use the replace method to switch the version dimension from actual to budget. The second step handles the complex restructuring. We use the map and replace method. This powerful feature allows us to join our transaction data with our helper mapping cube. We provide a mapping MDX query to retrieve the new employee to organization unit relationships. Crucially, using the mapping dimensions parameter, we instruct Bedrock to look at the organization unit in our source data and replace it with the new organization unit found in the mapping cube. This effectively reassigns the sales figures to the new departments dynamically during the copy process. To ensure data integrity, we set the clear target parameter to true. We also define the target clear set MDX list to specifically identify and clear the budget version slice before any new data is written, preventing duplication. Additionally, for better performance on large datasets, we enable the use threads parameter. Finally, within a try finally block to ensure the connection closes safely, we call the core function Bedrock data copy. We pass in our service, the source MDX, the mapping steps, and our clearing configurations. Now let's run the script. As you can see in the logs, the process initializes, clears the target area, and begins the transfer. The script has finished successfully. We were able to process and restructure nearly 1.2 million rows of data in just over a minute. And that's it. You have successfully leveraged TM1bedrock Pi to handle complex logic and organizational changes with minimal code. Thanks for watching. To learn more and to contribute, please visit our GitHub page.